Welcome everyone. Welcome to day number 25. Day number 25. And this is also going to be one of my favorites. Beautiful. And today you will get to know how universe talks to us. What is universe way to talk to us? वो कैसे बात करते हैं हमारे से, राइट? सो यू विल गेट टू नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एंड like the way of universe, right? So let me share the screen, you will better understand. There is this beautiful picture, and today's chapter name is Cue the Magic. So how the universe gives you the clue every time, after some time, the whole day, since morning till night, how you will be able to see like how universe is trying to connect with you, because universe tries to connect with you at all times. But now we people have to smart so that we can get that clue what universe is trying to tell us. Okay, so if you have that wisdom, if you have that kind of knowledge, because now you people have to get to know like how universe is trying to reach you, how it is trying to connect you. So universe has its own way to connect you, right? Look at this. So this chapter name is Cue the Magic. Cue the Magic. Look at this. There are many things you will be able to see in this picture. So all these things are like clue. So whenever you see any kind of thing, so like in this picture, you can see there are many things. There are many things that these all are the clues. Like see, you can see camera, action, and there is this mic, there is these reels as well, there is this chair. So many things are there, right? So how universe tries to talk to you, that you will get to know. All these things are clue whenever you see these kind of things. So you have to like see, you have to check yourself, like you have to check that clue, right? So how universe tries to talk to you, right? You will better understand when we will read it. Okay, so Q means clue, some hint. कैसे यूनिवर्स हमें हिंट देता है, कैसे वो हमें क्लू देता है, वो हमसे कैसे बात करने की कोशिश करता है यूनिवर्स. So life is playfulness. Life is all about play. Life is all about game. So we need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. See guys, if you are here as a spectator, right? So spectator will only get the entertainment. Who are the spectators? They just come and go. Like what is happening? How is happening? Right? So spectators only get the entertainment. It is the players who win. It is the player who fail. It is the player who succeed. Because we are here. We are born to succeed. We are born to fly. Right? We are born to succeed. We are born to fly. So we are the players. We have to be the players. We don't have to be the only spectators. If you only play, then only you will get to know each and everything. Because clarity comes from engagement. Spectators will not get the clarity. Who will get the clarity? Who will play the game? The more you play, the more you will get the clarity. Right? So today's chapter is all about hint and clues. The way of the universe, we will get to know. How the universe tries to talk to us. How it tries to connect with us. So life is all about play. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all, because around us everything is magical. But some people will get to know, some people will not get to know. Who will get to know? Those who will be practicing gratitude. Those who have that wisdom. How you people will get the wisdom? The more you will practice gratitude, the more you will be becoming wise. And you will get to know that clue. That yes, okay, so now universe wants to say this to me. Right? So today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices because it's game you play with the universe, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. So you will get to know how universe is playing with us. Cue the magic means that we have to get that clue. We have to get that hint. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring, and that it wants you to have everything you want in life. Because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want. It uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams. because universe knows each and everything. Universe also wants to give us each and everything, because we are the abundant child of this abundant universe, right? So the universe wants to give us each and everything, whatever we deserve. We deserve happiness, we deserve good health, we deserve good career, we deserve a lot of like money as well. We deserve each and everything, we deserve, and the universe wants to give us, but it's we that we are not allowing us, we are stopping us, we are not getting that clue. So how the universe tries to talk to us? In the form of law of attraction. Law of attraction, how does it happen? Look at this. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams. Universe को पता है, if we show gratitude, we can fulfill our dream. So it plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It uses the people, circumstances and events that surround you in your day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this. It works like this. How does it work? Look at this. So now these are the examples. These are the examples. If you hear an ambulance siren, have you heard any ambulance siren? Whenever you are going on roads or streets or anywhere, wherever you are going. So if you hear any kind of ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for your perfect health. It's not for them, it's for us. Why we hear that sound? Because universe is trying to help you. Universe is trying to tell you, sorry, that we have to be grateful for our perfect health. Why only you people were able to listen to that ambulance siren? Because it is its way to tell you that you have to be grateful for your perfect health, right? So if you see a police car, right? So if you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. कोई पुलिस की कार दिखे, that means we have to be grateful for our security, for our safety, that we are very safe at our places, we are very secure in our house. So whenever you see any police car, so you have to be grateful. Thank you universe that we are safe, we are secure. Thank you universe that we are healthy, right? So whenever you see any ambulance, thank you that we are healthy. Whenever you see any police car, thank you that we are secure and safe at home, right? It is not for them, it is not for anybody, it is for us, because daily we don't listen all these things. Daily we not hear the sound of ambulance, sometimes we hear. That means that is a cue that you need to catch. आपको कैच करना है, because it is for you. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it's your magic cue to be thankful for great news. So sometimes, most of the time, like we hear good news, good news, good news. If somebody is reading the newspaper, that means we have to be grateful for the news, for the good news, for the great news that we get sometimes. Got it? How universe is playing the game with us. Have you ever played chess? उसमें कुछ white boxes होते हैं, कुछ black boxes होते हैं. One time we have to play, then they have to play, then we have to play, then they have to play. Whomsoever we are playing. एक चाल हम चलेंगे, एक चाल सामने वाला चलेगा. It's kind of that. So similarly, the universe is also playing with us. So universe is showing you some clues that we need to catch, right? Now, if you want to change the weight of your body, right? When you see another person with your perfect weight, it's your magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you see somebody in the perfect weight, so you have to be grateful for your perfect weight as well. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it's your magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. At the same time, whenever you see somebody else that the people are like being romantic with each other, the people are doing romance, so you have to be grateful for your loving and caring partner. It's not about them. When you were able to see that, why were you able to see that? Because God or universe wants to let you know that you are so blessed. You are so blessed कि मैंने आपको भी बहुत अच्छा पार्टनर दिया, so you should be grateful for that. If you see somebody like that, Got it? So if you want to have a family, if you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for children. There are many, many families, they don't have any kid at home. So they people are struggling for the babies. The people are not able to like conceive, right? And the people are trying for IVF and this and that. Kahan mandiron mein puja paat and this and that. The people are struggling a lot, right? So we have kids. So whenever we see the kids, so we have to be grateful for our kids as well. उनसे पूछो जिनके नहीं होते हैं, right? So when you pass by your bank or any ATM, it's your magic cue to be grateful for plenty of money. Whenever you come across any ATM or any bank, that means we have to be grateful for a lot of money, that we have a lot of money, we have that abundance. Got it? So now you have to catch that cue. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home, that you have that home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of coffee or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors, right? Sometimes when we get sick, so every time we don't have like our loved ones with us, so sometimes our neighbor take the responsibility and they get us to the hospital, right? So every time so we don't have our loved ones or relatives with us, right? So when I was living in a rented house earlier last year, so uncle बार बार जैसे बीमार होते थे तो my like at that time तो they don't have their loved ones with them and they don't have their relatives with them, so my husband used to take him to the hospital. So it's okay, fine, that is good, right? So we have to be grateful for that. That means we are the neighbors now, we are the neighbors, we have to be grateful for that. We have to be grateful for each and everything, guys. So we are so blessed, so blessed. If you will start writing now, oh my God, like how much like blessed we people are for small things. Money, relationships, um, helping and caring partner, beautiful, lovely, adorable kids. Right? We have everything in our life. So we are so blessed. So be grateful always and try to catch the clue what universe is trying to tell you. Next, if you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it's your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now. For desire also, at least we have desire. People do not have desire, guys. People do not, those people who are living on the street, they cannot desire for anything because they know that it is not going to be fulfilled. They don't ever dare to desire anything. वो सोचते भी नहीं है. So our problems
मैम
are good problems to happen. Like हमें
मैम
ये
यही
सोचना है कि 50,000 से 1 लाख कैसे बनाना है, 1 लाख से 2 लाख कैसे बनाना है, 2 लाख से 3 लाख कैसे बनाना है. दिस इज आर प्रॉब्लम विच इज गुड प्रॉब्लम. और उनको क्या करना है, आज सुबह से शाम का खाना कैसे खाना है. शाम का खाना मिल गया तो रात को खाना नसीब होगा कि नहीं. देयर प्रॉब्लम्स आर डिफरेंट. सो आर प्रॉब्लम्स आर गुड प्रॉब्लम्स टू हैपन. या सॉरी इशिता, यस प्लीज टेल मी.
एक्चुअली यही मैं सोच रही थी कि अगर सच तो ये मैजिक सच है, ये मुझे पता है, बट अगर सच है तो क्या एक भिखारी भी करे तो इट इज वर्क्स और नॉट? आपको
Yes,
क्या लगता
it
है?
will definitely work. It will definitely work. But that beggar doesn't have that power to manifest because he
हम्म,
doesn't have that knowledge ना. Who will give him the
हम्म,
knowledge? You give him the knowledge and वो हमारे से आगे जाएंगे.
हाँ, या,
He will be grateful for his eyes. He will start being grateful
हम्म,
for his nose that he is breathing. He will be grateful for his eyes, arms, legs, thighs that he is able to walk. If he will start being grateful for what he has, so the universe guarantees that whatever he will be desiring next, he will be able to manifest. Anybody
हम्म,
can do that. Anybody can do. But उनको कौन बताएगा? So what you can do is, whenever you see any beggar, just just say
Mhm.
thank you that we are so blessed,
Yes.
and give him blessing, give him blessing, जो हमारे पास है उसके पास भी हो. That's it.
Hmm. Yeah.
Right? So that only we can do. That only we can do. Okay, so when you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you are being given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it's your magic cue to be grateful for happiness. Do you remember yesterday chapter or day before yesterday? Like Rhonda Byrne wanted to go to a place, Bora Bora, near Tahiti. Right? So she met some people in the plane. They were very happy. They were very grateful for small, small things, that they are alive, they are awake, they are this and that. So she was so happy after listening to them. And she got to know that yes, we can be grateful for small, small things as well. Right? So if you also come across that if somebody is happy, so we should be also happy. We should be grateful for our happiness. We should be grateful for their happiness, because they are also radiating beautiful energy in this universe. Because we are vibrational beings. We are vibrating at all times. We are vibrating. Right? So we are creating that negative energy. We are creating that positive energy. But we are vibrating at all times. Right? So we have to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear about another person saying thank you anywhere at any time, it's your magic cue to say thank you. If somebody is saying thank you, anybody, to anyone, and you listen to it. If somebody is saying thank you to somebody else, आपके कान में पड़ गया, दैट मीन्स यू ऑल्सो हैव टू बी थैंकफुल. वो आपको कैसे कान में पड़ा, क्यों पड़ा, दैट मीन्स इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ रिमाइंडर that yes, it's a time to be grateful. If they people are doing that thank you, and they people are being grateful, and we are listening to it, that means we also have to be grateful. Sometimes we forget now, sometimes we forget, and we become very busy and we start taking things for granted. It happens, we are the human beings, we forget. So whenever somebody is saying good morning, so that is also a kind of cue that we have to be grateful for the good morning. There are unlimited and creative ways the universe has to magically cue you to be grateful in your day to day activities. You can never misunderstand a magic cue or get a cue wrong, because whatever you think a cue is for, you are right. The universe uses the law of attraction to magically cue you, and so you always attract the exact cues that you need to be grateful for in that moment, because law of attraction is working at all times. So why you are able to see all those cues, earlier you were not able to see those cues because you were not aware of. So now you people are aware of that, why we are seeing that ambulance, why we are seeing that police car, why we are seeing somebody reading the newspaper. Right? I think funny, you are facing some network issue, your screen is
Yes.
like all times like it's freezing.
Yes, ma'am. I'm joining
Hmm.
my mobile.
Yeah, sometimes
Okay.
you are able to listen, sometimes you will not be able to listen like that way. Okay, so the universe has unlimited and so many hundreds and thousands and lakhs and crores ways to let you know, like how you can get the cues. But the universe is giving you the cues. It's you who has to catch that cue. Got it, everyone? Got it? How the universe is trying to teach us to be grateful, right? So now, Cue the Magic has become a daily game I play. And with practice, I know automatically see all the magic cues the universe gives me. And I give thanks for each one of them, every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe finds new ways to cue me to set the magic of gratitude into motion. So it will come with practice only. So now Rhonda Byrne is saying, I am playing this game with the universe. So whenever universe is sending you any cue, so I'm getting it. I'm able to get it. Why? Because she is practicing a lot. In each and everything, like she is getting the cue. Right? There's a good morning. Somebody said good morning. Thank you for my good morning. Somebody said thank you. I have to be thankful for each and everything. So every time, at all times, she is getting that cues. So we also have to start getting that cues, because law of attraction is working at all times. सारा दिन यूनिवर्स हमें कुछ 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 भेज रहा है. It's we that we have to get that. When I receive a phone call from a friend or family member, it's a cue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" it's a cue to be grateful for the beautiful weather where I live and for another beautiful day. If an appliance, जैसे किचन के अप्लायंस होते हैं, if an appliance breaks down, it's a cue to be grateful for all my appliances that are working perfectly. Refrigerator, washing machine, oven, this, that, everything is working properly, so we have to be grateful for all the appliances. If a plant in my garden is struggling, it's a cue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in my garden. See, there are small, small things. When I collect the mail, it's a cue to be grateful for the mail service and for unexpected checks. When someone says they have to go to an ATM or I see people in line at ATM, it's a cue to be grateful for money. If a person I know comes down with a sickness, it's a cue to be grateful for their health and mind. When I open my curtains in the morning, see the new day, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. And I always do this. I always, when I open that curtain and I see that big tree in front of me, I always say, Jannat, Jannat, thank you, God, for showing me this beautiful universe, for this beautiful world. And when I close my curtains at night, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had. In the morning, also, when you open the curtain, and at night, also, when you close the curtains. At that time, also, we have to say thank you. I am very grateful for this beautiful day that I had today. To play Cue the Magic Day, all you have to do is to be alert enough to take 7 magic. So now for today's practice, what you have to do. So in this paragraph, we will get to know. So to play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." You can never do too much gratitude. So this is a negative sentence. I told you now one day. So there is this structure in English. Whenever you see any this kind of sentence, it doesn't mean that this is like you can never do too much gratitude. That means जितना भी gratitude हम कर लें, that is
उतना
very
कम है.
less. जितना भी कर लें उतना कम है. You can never do too much gratitude. मतलब जितना भी करेंगे उतना कम है. So you can choose to do more. And if you want, you can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. If you have been following the daily magical practice over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. So that means if we people have practiced 24 days religiously, if we are doing each and every practice in a proper way, in a proper manner, we will be able to get that cues from the universe, right? And one of the many benefits of gratitude's magical practice is that it wakes you up. ये आपको सुबह उठा भी देती है. अगर आप रात को बोल के सोते हो, "Thank you God for waking me up at 3 a.m. in the morning," you will get up at 3 a.m. यू कैन डू दिस, यू कैन डू दिस. उसके बाद चाहे आप सो जाओ, बट वो यूनिवर्स आपको जरूर उठाएगा एट 3 a.m. If you say like that, you no need to put any alarm. No need to put any alarm. Thank you for waking me up at 6 a.m. Thank you for waking me up at 5 a.m. एक बार आपकी नींद जरूर खुलेगी. करके देखना, आज ही करके देखना रात को. राइट? So, one of the many benefits of gratitude's magical practice is that it wakes you up and makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams. So, universe, cue the magic. Hint देते रहो, cue देते रहो. Right? So, magic practice number 25, cue the magic. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Today, be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 for today's practice. What you have to do today, be alert. Tomorrow morning, start tomorrow morning. So, what you have to start with
Okay.
today, be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day around you. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, you have to say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." Right? Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand. Say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day." Got it, everyone? What you have to do? Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
tomorrow morning, you have to get that 7 cues. Right? So you will see something happening near about you, around you. You have to try to get that cue. So why this is happening, why this is shown to me, why this person came to me, why this was shown to me, why this was sent to me. That means I have to catch something from there. Got it? Got it?